Alright guys, this is going to be a short one. This is going to be a short note video. So we've already learned the different types of slope. Now I'm going to show you how to find slope from equations. However, this is nothing new. We're only going to do 3 short examples and that's it. Okay? So, write this down just real quick. Hang on. The steps. None of this is new. You already know how to do this. To find slope from an equation, all you have to do is solve for y, which you know how to do and I'll show you. And then slope is the number with x. This is really important. You have to solve for y first, but then slope is just the number with x. This is not a hashtag. I guess technically it is, but that stands for number as well. So it's not like hashtag with x. No. Okay? All right. Write this down. Really simple. Okay? First thing says solve for y. Well, your y, it's already solved. There's nothing over here, right? So that's already done. Then the next thing is slope is the number with x. Okay, well the number with x is just 4. So this is super simple. The answer is the slope is 4. There's one more thing I want you to add to this. We already talked about positive, negative, 0, and no slope, right? Well, I want you to tell me what type of slope this is. And how you do that is very simple. Is the slope is 4. Is that a positive number or a negative number? You're going to say it's a positive number. So, since this is positive, you'd put the slope is positive. Okay? So the slope is 4, the slope is positive. Very simple. Okay? But what if you have to solve for y? Okay? What if you have to solve for y? Well, we know how to do that. We draw our line. With this stuff, you always solve for y. So your y, your best friend's 5. I'm going to kick out 10x. The opposite of a positive 10x is negative 10x. This goes away. 5y comes down. We've been doing this, so you should know what's going on. These are different. I can't actually subtract, so I put them side by side. I'm a math person, so I put my x first, but you could put 30 first. It doesn't matter. Plus 30 because it's positive. And then we divide by 5. We've done this before, right? I'll just tell you, negative 10 divided by 5 is a negative 2. The x comes down. This is very important. A lot of y'all are forgetting your letters, but you need to bring them down because that's how you know what numbers with x. And then positive 30 divided by 5 is a positive 6. Okay? This is where you stopped before, but now you're going to tell me 2 things. What is the slope? Well, the slope is the number with x. So the slope is negative 2. So the slope is negative 2. And is the slope positive or negative? And you're going to say, well, that's a negative 2. So the slope is negative 2 and it is negative. Means it's going down. Real quick, you don't have to write this, but just watch. Another way you can tell it's negative is if I go to, see how that says y equals? If I go to y equals on my calculator and I type in negative 2x plus 6 and go to graph right here, you'll see that line is going down. It's a negative slope. Okay? I'm not going to do this one for you, but I'm just going to just show it real quick. This also works for inequalities, so it's the same thing. You just solve for y, and it's the number with x. Okay? So just don't let the inequalities freak you out. The only thing you need to know is when to flip it or not. Okay? That's it. So go ahead and go to your assignment.